Did you know that what you eat during pregnancy can affect your child's complexion? Every mom should know the best 5 fruits to eat during pregnancy for a fair baby. Expectant mothers and their families always derive great joy from being pregnant. Every relative who knows a woman is expecting to advise her on what to do or not what to do, as well as what to eat or not to eat. Family members share their experiences to provide advice. My mom, my mother-in-law, the two of them, they're on this table. So, a portion of healthy food and way of life are essential for the growth of babies and their equity. You will learn all the specifics regarding which fruits are safe to eat while pregnant for a fair baby in this video. You're welcome to Becoming Mom, a community for golden, doting, and present moms. If you're yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe. Stay glued to this channel. To my returning moms, thank you for always. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share it with other moms. For the benefit of both the mother and the unborn child, pregnant women should get enough restful sleep during pregnancy. Numerous women have been seen to experience discomfort while they sleep on their beds. Pregnancy sleeping pillows are an option in that scenario. They could help the expectant mother relax. Pregnant women must have better sleep since they feel anxious and agitated if they do not get enough rest. Now let's dive into the fruits and lifestyles. The way a newborn or fetus is developed is significantly influenced by their diet and lifestyle. It has been observed that consuming certain fruits contributes to the baby's fairness and intelligence. In order to have a fair kid, pregnant women need to be aware of which fruits to eat. Fruit to eat during pregnancy for a fair baby. 1. Orange. Orange is a rich source of vitamin C and is recommended during pregnancy. Vitamin C is not only useful for the growth of the baby, but also improves the baby's and mother's skin tone and makes them fair. Everyday minimum of 2 oranges consumption fulfills the requirements of vitamin C and makes your baby's skin fair. 2. Carrot is good for pregnancy as it boosts the eye health of both the mother and her baby. They are a rich source of vitamin A, which is essential for developing the baby's eyes. Carrots, this carrot is pure magic. When I was single, I worked with a Ghanaian. She had 3 kids. The last one was very fair. The Ghanaian partner is dark too. I asked the woman, how did you achieve this skin for your daughter? Her daughter's skin was looking very healthy, not bleached. No. She responded and told me she had eaten a lot of carrots while she was pregnant with her. She told me how she had told people and it worked for them. And I tried it too and it worked. It works like magic. I included carrots in every of my meals during pregnancy and the result is magical. Eat carrots. Eat enough carrots. 3. Coconuts. If a pregnant woman takes coconut regularly during pregnancy, it makes the baby fair. Apart from fairness, coconut is also very useful during pregnancy in many ways. 4. Milk. I believe that milk makes baby fair and it improves their complexion. It can offer you a host of nutrients that you will need for the healthy development of your baby. 5. Eggs. The white part of the egg also contributes to fairness in the babies. Apart from fairness, it also improves the overall development of your baby, which is good. If you're pregnant, you must speak with your doctor or midwife or your dietitian before adding any foods to your diet, including carrots. Ask questions from your your dietitian, ask questions from your doctors. Would you try this fruit out? Please do, and thank me later after 9 months. Thank you for watching. Please click on the subscribe button and support a co-mom by subscribing to this channel. Thank you in advance for subscribing. Stay glued for more parenting and childcare techniques from this channel. See you in my next video. Lots of love. Good evening, moms.